far as any preliminary recommendations, something that's really big is modeling, just showing how those comprehension and retelling is done. Those conversations I think are really important. So reading stories together, having the conversations, that's something I recommend to parents a lot too. I think it's something that we overlook as parents when you are reading with your child, how easy it is just to say, make a prediction. What do you think this story is going to be about? Really, without much academic language at all, even being known, you can really hit those areas really hard. Um, so, just modeling comprehension, modeling retelling, showing how that's done, making predictions, stopping to find talking points throughout the story to either confirm or reject your prediction or to model retelling as well. Those are recommendations I give from home, like I said, giving pre and post assessments for each book. And then accelerated reader, that is through the STAR reading program. So the students take their baggie books home each night, and that's something I do in my classroom. And then I really stress for those students that are working on comprehension. So they read the book at night and then they come back and they are able to go on the computer and take a 5 to 10 question quiz about the book, and it just has different comprehension questions. And I think it's a really great way for students to have to kind of dig into what they were doing, what they were reading the night before, and recap and be able to answer those questions.